Hi, want to know how to extend RAM on your Realme 12x? So firstly, let's talk about what is RAM and what is it responsible for. RAM is operational memory, which is responsible for response time on your phone, if we can say it like that. So the easy logic is then more free RAM on your phone you have, then faster your phone is. So if you think that you may have too little RAM amount on your phone and you can see that your phone has noticeably slowed down, we can fix it by extending our RAM from 2 GB up to 6 GB extra. To do it, firstly, we would need to open settings on our phone and here scroll all the way down until you'll find this tab named About Device. Click on it to open and here scroll down until you'll find this tab which looks like this. You can see RAM, 6 GB and this little gray square with 4 GB extra. So by clicking on it, here we can see this feature which is named RAM expansion. So this feature basically takes your storage space from your normal storage and transforms it into a memory RAM. So to enable it, we would need to click on this gray slider until it will become blue. And now just choose how much you would like to expand your RAM from 2 GB up to 6. Currently I have 4 and if I would like to make it bigger, we would need to take this blue dot and move it to the right side like this. Here you can see this little description which is saying that these settings will take effect after you will restart your device. So if you would like to save these settings, we would need to click on this arrow to go back and now you would need to here choose restart now to save these settings. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.